Hello everybody, AC3KP here. Welcome to my little YouTube channel I decided to start a couple weeks ago. I know I think it's kind of natural for people who start YouTube channels. They want to get as many views as possible, as many subscribers as possible right out of the gate, but not me, not right now. I'm going to have this fly underneath the radar, keep this low key until I get more content and just make some more decisions about how I want to proceed. But at least want to get this channel in place and have it kind of ready. So as far as getting more content, that's partially the reason behind this video. And also, if you ever talk to me on air, or I get you on recording, you can see where it's, you can see the control center here, where it all comes from. So alright, take it through a quick little tour. I mean, very brief. I'm just going to scratch the tip of the iceberg. And yeah, not too much explanation, but you'll get a feel for what's going on here. Alright, let's get started. This is my Electro Voice RE320 microphone. I know the Electro Voice microphones are known for their low output power. So therefore, we're going to swing on down here. The RE320 comes out to my cloud lifter. It's just a 48 volt powered preamplifier. Out of there, we're going to come over to my Focusrite Scarlett Solo. Now some people call these sound cards. I just call it an interface box. So there's my interface. Now, you can see that 48 volt is activated and is powering the cloud lifter. And then coming out of there, it's going to come down to my Windows 11 computer. And there she be. Okay, I'll get to the audio processing and everything in a minute here. I'll dim the lights. Okay, the radio. My beloved Apache Labs Non 7000 DLE Mark II. I've had this about, well, since 2020. And has never failed me. Never one issue with this baby. Extensive use and extensive experiments. It has never failed me. Wonderful radio. And coming up here, I swear by Samlux power supplies. No RF. Very quiet. Or RFI. Very quiet power supplies. So there's that. And right now it is powered on. Right now I'm receiving just a commercial AM radio station. Over here. And I'm running Thetis SDR software. Amazing software. I'm running version 2.10.3.11. Look at that. Okay, so come over to here. So coming out of my baby, the Anon, I'm gonna come over to here. And here's my LP100A digital watt meter. Another Samlux power supply. I'll bump on down here. Here's my Ameritron AL80B. The most I run this, everybody knows, anybody that knows me knows that I baby my equipment. In fact, I kind of go overboard with it. I want to keep things clean, I dust regularly. But the most I run out of here is about 700 watts and it does me just fine. I'm not looking to set the ham radio world on fire with huge signals or anything. It works just fine. Plus my location up here is great. Up on my roof, when you look out, it's nothing but horizon. So it does quite well on my 160 meter sky loopy antenna out there. So there's that. And then coming out here, now a lot of stuff is in a holding pattern. That's why I'm waiting to make decisions. Main reason is I have the Apache Labs Anon G2 1K legal limit transceiver on the way. I've been waiting 2 years. So this stuff has been sitting here for 2 years. I'll get to my antenna tuner in a second. So once that comes in, I'm going to have to make some decisions how I want to rearrange stuff because that puppy is going to go up there. And eventually, that's my Windows 10 computer right there. That's going to go. I'm going to get another Windows 11. So I plan on putting my the Anon 7000 on the newer Windows 11 computer and pipe it into that screen up there. And the non-G2 1K, of course, that'll be on that computer, on that screen. So anyhow, yeah, it's in the holding pattern here. Anyhow, out of the Ameritron AL80B, going to come down here to my Palstar AT5K antenna tuner. Wonderful tuner. And after there, it's coaxial fed about up to my 4-to-1 Ballon in that around 535 foot long, 160 meter sky loopy antenna. And of course, over here, I've got various meters. I got my analyzer. I got my Rig Expert antenna analyzer. I use most of the time. And it is also nice to have the analog MFJ antenna analyzer on hand. And dummy load I use a lot right there, and there's another dummy load over there. Very important. I think in every station should have a dummy load on hand. So that's about it. Let me dim these lights here. Let me go back here. I hope not to trip on anything here. All right, let's go over to here. I'll show you my audio processing. It's called Cakewalk by BandLab. Or BandLab by Cakewalk. I get them reversed. Hang on, let me get that up on the screen. All right, now here's the have some plugins up. As you see, my microphone's picking up my voice right now. But awesome software. It's totally free. Anybody can go download it, and it comes with tons of plugins all ready to go. And you can also purchase third-party plugins. I purchased mine from Way Central, but everything you're seeing on the screen right now are purchased by me. All the metering. But there's that. And of course, my screen capture software, that's ready to go. I use NC8 screen capture software and video editing software. But yeah, it captures the screen exactly how I see it here, and I have the audio line level into the screen capture software. But that's about it. That's my little station here. But alright, as we go forward, I hope we get more videos up and rolling here, and yeah, decide how I want to proceed and grow the channel. But alright, thanks for stopping by. This has been AC3KP 73, gentlemen.